In today's Zack Attack 1 dirt bike commentary video, we send it! We're just flying off of our bikes. Then Tom gets stranded out in the woods.
Are my saviors here?
But then we have to pack up and go home.
Yeah, about 273 miles before we get back up to the Northland. I'm really missing the south.
After some aggravated driving,
Use the right pedal!
we get a ticket.
Enter the HOV link, where a cop promptly pulled us over, gave us a ticket.
Everybody warm up your wrists, get ready to twist the throttle because you are back at a Zack Attack 1 dirt bike commentary video. We're back at Croom, another day of ripping.
The outside corner, take the right, you come down, down, down.
You may ask who this is. We have no idea. His name is Jordan. We just met him in the parking lot and we're going riding with him. I don't think he even knows what a Zack Attack is. But Jordan is cool. He's just showing us around.
Yeah, doggy.
He's a local, which is good because we have never actually been shown around Croom. We just ride until we find something.
This is how I like to hit it. It's nice and slow, like dippity doo, dippity doo. Oh, dippity doo, dippity doo. Oh God.
Tom starts ripping her, man. He just goes. Austin right here, he blew a seal on his rear shock, so it was not handling too well for him. This is the dirt bike shrine. Then we come over and we just start ripping a little bit in this area, playing around. I've had better days going up something as simple as that.
You're not Graham Jarvis. You can't do that. I'll give it a shot.
What does that mean? It's going down this log. Everybody's like, no, you can't do that.
What the heck?
Easy.
Oh, right.
Just kidding. That was lucky.
Suck, Zachary. I hate you.
It's pretty high up there if you fall off that.
Yeah, I don't think I have the balance for that.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, baby.
I don't think I have the balance for that.
I give it another whirl. Second time's not the charm.
Whoa!
So Jordan, our tour guide, takes us up this. It's a dead end. It stops. Uh-oh. We're backing up.
Backing her down the mountain.
Hey, it could be a flip side or something.
Yeah, it's true. I gotta get back it up. I can't see behind me, so.
Hold on, I gotta readjust. There we go.
What's going on?
I had to readjust.
Traffic jam.
Yeah.
This is a not good perspective.
I need my rear view mirror.
All right, don't fall off this either.
You wanna go on? Good luck there, Tom. Tom's trying to go up this. I don't know what he's doing over here. We had to turn around because there was the path we were going down was not where we wanted to go. Austin. Yeah, right. What
the heck's going on down here?
Tom, you took the easy way to turn around.
Yeah, that was definitely the, yeah, that was.
Watch out for that cable there.
Holy mackerel.
Is that what you hit? You were turning around and you hit that thing?
I think I flickered it.
Oh, God, that is dangerous.
Your foot caught it when you're hauling ass.
Holy mackerel.
Crazy old contraption cranes back here.
Jeez.
What are they mining for down here? Yeah.
Travis and all his buddies do like 360 varials.
That's what we wondered, because we were like, where the heck do those go?
So we're sitting here with Jordan, and these are like where Travis Pastrana does his backflips and all this stuff. Tom's like, all right, I'm going to hit it.
Well, let's send it up one of these. Maybe I'll do the one right in front of me over the log.
And Jordan's like, dude, I don't know about that.
That looks like pretty Alright, dude, you're gonna be hitting trees up there. I think someone's just riding up to it and then putting away from it.
Tom's talking about doing the hill climb, not the jump.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna hit that. I'm gonna hit it on the right where it's
Oh.
Yeah, no.
No. I'd love to try it, but like... I wanted to hit this. And it's not really clear up in there. Now this guy, Ryder1, made a lot of this stuff, I guess. You gotta look him up, it's pretty cool. Now we show up to this thing. It's this jump or something. I'm looking at it, and I'm like, what? What am I looking at? Is it a jump? I think it's just I don't think he's jumping up to the next level, is he?
I think he's landing from a cliff.
So Jordan is lining up. He's gonna send it up. Let's see what happens. It's a pretty dang sweet step-up jump. It's kind of gnarly, though, because it's a big wall. I mean, this thing is tall. You got to really go. So I'm lining up. I'm like, all right, geez, I better freaking go fast, because this thing's pretty big. I get on that I was coming in a little fast, and I let off at the face of the jump, which is not good. If I hadn't let off, though, I probably would have launched myself into the ocean. So I somehow rode out of that. Oh, baby! That thing's got... I didn't know there was a freaking wall after it.
Yeah, I was like, oh!
Woo, baby! That was cool. This thing is fun, though. It's cool.
Up here on top of the mountain. We're all ready when you are, Tom.
Tom is going to give it a whirl. He's not much of a jumper, so I was surprised. That wasn't even close.
Yeah, I gotta go faster.
That was not even, you went 4 feet. Look where your tire landed, dude.
Alright, well, you know what? We're gonna have to do it again.
All right, that was his warm-up round. That was his warm-up lap.
I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
Better. He tries it again. That was worse, man. You gotta go faster. That was worse? That was not even as far. So I got him going. He's gonna go fast now.
Oh, that crushed my balls.
This thing ejected him. This is why you gotta grip with your legs.
That wasn't how you do it.
That was a Superman.
Dude, that thing ejects you. It's a kicker.
Now Austin gives it a shot. Beautiful. That was beautiful.
I didn't die.
That was. So then Jordan gives it one last whirl. Oh man, so this thing has got one heck of a kicker on it.
Woo! You right?
That jump was probably going to kill us if we didn't stop hitting it, so we start going back to the trailer, and then Tom's bike starts really dogging.
It can't do it.
He ate 14 hot dogs, and it couldn't pull him anymore. 14 hot dogs.
Nope, it's done. Nah, I can't ride it. It won't go. Even full bore first gear, the thing will not move.
Bummer. Is that locked up?
Is that locked up?
You don't have any tools on you?
Not on me.
You don't have an 8 or 10 or 12?
No, here, take your cell phone.
Whoa. What the f? What happened is his brakes locked up. I had to ride all the way back, get tools, and ride all the way back out.
So I'm out here in the beautiful forest of Croom, and I decided to stop and take a break and just enjoy the wonders that is here to offer us dirt bikers and ATVers. There's some deer, probably some nasty snakes somewhere, but I haven't seen any. Probably in that hole right there. That'd be horrifying. Saw an armadillo. Probably some nasty spiders in here. Maybe the occasional Travis Pastrana or Ronnie Renner, but haven't seen one of them in a while. Oh. Oh, yeah, and this. A broken dirt bike. What's wrong, people might ask. Well, I can tell you that my brakes overheated. Why that keeps happening, but that I am not having.
Hashtag 4-stroke problems.
It's not a 4-stroke problem.
Yeah, it is.
You know, well, maybe if you weren't going
We have a long trip ahead of us. We got to get on the road.
1,200 miles to go.
Is that an extension to the trailer?
Dude, that is an extension to the trailer.
And he's got his dirt bike.
Dude, he's got to figure. Get over you. If you're gonna go slow, get the hell off the interstate. 85. I just want to see what this thing is. Use the right pedal. It's on the right. It's not hard. You just lean your toe. What is this thing?
Oh!
The transit van guy is super cool. He's cool. He's a cool guy. That person's a d***hole.
Man, it's past dark. I don't think it's legally allowed
Dude, that
to
is
have
a
an
big...
oversized. Oh my god. Truck nuts on that. Truck nuts.
Yeah!
Update, we just got a ticket. Tom was an idiot.
No.
Alright,
Zach
alright.
was an idiot.
Hold on.
Well, because of that, because of Zach.
Because of me?
Because of Zach. He made me cross 6 lines of traffic to enter the HOV lane, where a cop promptly pulled us over, gave us a ticket. Heck, don't even have HOV lanes in frickin' Vermont.
Yeah, what the
Decided to write us a ticket and doesn't know how much the ticket even costs. Adam. Nav guy.
We're blaming Adam for the ticket. That's what we're doing. He's gonna have to pay it. We're in this car for way too long. We got a ticket.
Virginia! Yeah, about 273 miles before we get back up to the Northland. I'm really missing the South. It was nice and warm down there. Woo!
New York!
Yeah!
Why are we even excited?
I don't know. It's like -20. Hey, we can try.
Rest area 58 miles. We've made it up to the homeland. As you can see, it's snowing. It's a disaster out there. It's been snowing for 50 hours. Narrower.
Why did we come back north?
Our thermometer is reading -3 on the car. That's without wind chill.
I can't tell if those wheels on the trailer are rotating at all.
Yeah, they're not moving. Dude, you're pulling a sled right now. We're chained to my dad's truck, so now we gotta make the swing up. After driving all that way, we finally get home to where we have a nightmare in the driveway once again. Good. You're gonna have to back up.
So we're now in Zach's truck. We're gonna hook Zach's truck to his dad's truck to the trailer and try to make this thing go.
We've abandoned hope of getting the trailer up the driveway. Here are some stats provided by Tom. 400 gallons of gasoline was used at 10 miles per gallon. That equates to 3,973.5 miles at an average speed of 52 miles per hour. 2 hookers, 3 adult stores, 1 crackhead motel owner. I do remember that. Only a few hot babes. Over 150 broken down cars seen on the side of the highway. We did keep track. And one hell of a good time. Yeah, that's not a statistic, but we'll leave it in there. That all boils down to 653 gigabytes of footage collected during this week of riding. This footage was edited down into an 11-part video series in which you are watching at this moment on YouTube. And this is where it ends. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.